Hi everyone, this is Wendy, a solo traveler in Taiwan for 14 days. Haba, no? So, i-reveal ko on this video how much I've spent in those 14 days. 14 days in Taiwan for 23,501.13 centavos only. O, diba? Kayang-kaya natin yan. This includes air ticket, travel tax, SIM card, hotels, and activities. Paano nga ba ganito kaliit ang expenses ko in those 14 days? So, kuripot tayo. Hindi kasali dito yung food and transpo, ha? So, himayin natin ang total expenses kung paano nga bang nangyari na 23,501.13 centavos lang ang expenses for 14 days kasama ang ticket and hotels na and activities. For air ticket, we've spent 3,316.09 round-trip airfare for 14 days, a travel tax of 1,620 sa NAIA, a SIM card of 1,221 for 15 days only data which we bought sa airport na upon arrival, the hotels in Kaohsiung, Chiayi, Taichung for 14 days that cost around 13,350.97 pesos, and the activities cost 3,993.07 in total. This includes Sunmoon Lake, Qingjing Farm, Alishan Mountain, Sushan Zoo, Songshe Flower Market, and Miyahara Ice Cream. Hindi ko na isinama dito ang Sijin Island, Pier 2, Hinoki Village, Night Market, and Park since free entrance lang ang mga ito and walking distance lang sa hotel ko. Over and all, total expenses ay 23,501.13 pesos lang. Except shopping, food, and transpo within the city, which is minimal lang din naman. So, it's cheap for a 14-day trip. Hindi naman kasi kailangang mahal ang travel if you just wanted to unwind or refresh. Nasa sayo yan how you wanted your lifestyle is. Pwede kang mag-live in a luxury pag nasa abroad ka. Pwede lang din na live like locals. So, it's up to you. Nasa tao yan. So, sa akin kasi, I prefer to live like locals. Before this video end, I want you to download nga pala ng GoTW, Taiwan Transportation app that provides information, a travel companion that helps you plan your journey. So, eto muna sa ngayon and I'll see you in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye! Hope to see you again!